Hello everyone and welcome back to the Genomics Bootcamp. In this video, I will show you my favorite keyboard shortcuts in RStudio and Tidyverse. So let's get to it. The first one is the very useful combination of Ctrl plus Enter that executes a line or a section in your code. Let me demonstrate it on my recent code from my recent video. So you don't need to actually highlight the full line you are in. It's okay if you are just on it. Well, you could actually press the run button on the screen, but a much faster way is to press a Ctrl plus Enter, and basically it, well, just executes the line. And it jumps also to the next one that could be executed. So if you don't do nothing else, just to press Ctrl Enter again, it executes the next line in your script. Also, it has a very useful function or functionality to run in general, that if there is a section of the code that belongs together, then you don't need to highlight the whole thing, but it's okay if you are anywhere in this section and also press Ctrl Enter, and it well, just executes for the whole section. The second very useful and very often used combination is the Alt and the minus key pressed together. This creates this arrow that is used for assignment, value assignment. So basically you can use also the equal sign for the same, but let's say the best practice scenario or best practices are to use this arrow key or arrow symbol instead. Well, it has various reasons, mainly because basically you use the arrow for the value assignment and the equal sign within the brackets for various value assignments within the functions within the brackets. So let's get to it. So that is Alt and minus, and you just with the one press you create these neat little arrows. I very often do a misclick or like a misuse, and I press Ctrl and the minus sign. That is actually also a shortcut that zooms out the entire R here. So let me demonstrate also this mishap. So it's just everything is just smaller. So if you want to get it back, so there is this view here, and zoom in again, and we are back to the setup as we were before. Next is also in particular in the Tidyverse, and it is this percentage higher than percentage sign that is well, a shortcut for basically a Tidyverse pipe command and the and then kind of setup that is used very often. And for this, you can press the Ctrl plus Shift plus M key. If you do that, so the Ctrl plus Shift and the M as in Michael, so then you create this neat little series of characters with one click, which is actually very useful and a very quick thing to do. And the last one, at least for this video, is the commenting out of multiple lines in one go. So the comment lines are, well, extremely useful tool, or well, basically for the documentation of any code. And also sometimes you can use it for just maybe temporarily disabling some part of the code that you don't need at the time. So if you want to comment out one line, of course, you just use the hashtag. But if you want to comment out more lines, or then at some point it becomes very inefficient to use hashtag for each line manually. So what you can do in that case is the following. So for example, you want to comment out some lines. So you basically highlight the section that you want to comment out. You press Ctrl Shift and C, and it comments it out for you in one go. If you want to comment it back, so to say, or you want to use it again, the same thing applies. So just highlight and Ctrl-Shift-C, and it's back again to full use. So this is it from my side. Let me know in the comments below if you have also perhaps some other favorite shortcuts in R or Tidyverse or in general that could be useful also for the other viewers of this channel. If you like the video, leave a like. If you like the channel in general, leave a subscribe. And from my side, for now, this was it. I thank you for your time and I wish you a really nice day.